Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best hair wax roller is probably one of the most versatile and effective grooming tools available today, designed to tame flyaways, add texture, and provide a strong hold for various hairstyles without the greasiness or stiffness often associated with traditional hair products, making it an essential item for anyone looking to achieve a polished and professional look with minimal effort and maximum control. Number 5. Self-Grip Hair Roller Set, 50 PCS Pink. Achieve salon-quality curls at home with our self-grip hair rollers. They are designed to work on all hair lengths, from long to short, and even bangs. This set includes 4 different sizes, 25mm, 36mm, 48mm, and 60mm. This variety allows you to create a range of curl sizes and styles. Simply wrap your hair around the rollers and let them grip. The self-adhering design means no pins or clips are needed, making styling quick and effortless. For extra security, especially on thicker hair, we've included 50 clips. These ensure the rollers stay in place while you style or while they set. Whether your hair is long, short, or you're styling your bangs, these rollers are your go-to tool. They provide a comfortable and effective way to add volume and bounce. Add a touch of fun to your beauty routine with this set in a vibrant pink color. It's a practical yet stylish addition to your hair styling collection. What we like. This set offers an impressive range of 4 different sizes, ensuring you can achieve the perfect curl for any hair length, from short bobs to long flowing locks. It also comes with clips to secure your style. If you have diverse styling needs or enjoy experimenting with different curl types, this versatile set is an excellent choice. What people say. The wax roller is easy to use and provides a smooth application. It effectively removes unwanted hair without causing irritation. The compact design makes it convenient for travel. Number 4. Briogeo Style Plus Treat Hair Styling Sleek Stick. Tired of pesky flyaways ruining your look? Our innovative styling stick is here to help you achieve a sleek, polished finish. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable hair. Achieve effortlessly smooth and sleek hairstyles with this lightweight finishing balm. It provides a natural hold without weighing your hair down. Perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Experience the difference of a truly lightweight formula. This balm smooths and controls without leaving any greasy residue. Your hair will feel soft, healthy, and perfectly styled. We believe in the power of clean beauty. That's why our formula is silicone-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. You can feel good about what you're putting in your hair. Whether you're heading to work or a night out, this styling stick is your secret weapon. It's the perfect travel-friendly size for keeping your hair looking flawless all day long. What we like. This option is designed for ultimate smoothness and flyaway control without weighing your hair down. Its lightweight finishing balm formula makes it perfect for achieving sleek, polished looks. If you're looking for a quick touch-up to tame frizz and create a refined finish, this is your go-to product. What people say. The wax roller is easy to use and provides a smooth application. It effectively holds hair in place without feeling sticky or heavy. The compact design makes it convenient for travel and touch-ups on the go. Number 3. Obeoby 4 Sizes Heatless Hair Curler Set. Achieve beautiful, bouncy curls without heat. This set offers 4 different sizes to suit any hair length or style. With 38 pieces included, you have plenty of rollers to create a variety of looks. From subtle waves to dramatic curls, the possibilities are endless. Whether your hair is long or short, thick or thin, these rollers are designed to work for you. They even work great for bangs. Say goodbye to heat damage. These self-grip rollers provide a comfortable and gentle way to style your hair, protecting its health and shine. Simply wrap your hair, let them set, and release for stunning results. Get salon-quality curls right at home with this convenient set. This versatile set is your new best friend for effortless styling. Get ready to love your hair every day. What we like. Achieve beautiful curls without heat damage with this set, featuring 4 different roller sizes to cater to various hair lengths and thicknesses. They are designed for comfortable overnight wear. If you prioritize hair health and want to create effortless waves and curls while you sleep, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say. This hair wax roller is a game changer for achieving a sleek and polished look. The roller design allows for even distribution of the wax, preventing clumping and ensuring a smooth application. It effectively tames flyaways and provides long-lasting hold without making hair stiff or greasy. Number 2. BLITZWAX Wax Kits. Introducing the BLITZWAX Wax Kits, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for effective hair removal. From large body areas to delicate facial zones, it's designed for your convenience. With 120 wooden sticks, you'll have plenty for multiple uses. They are perfect for applying hard wax precisely where you need it. Enhance your waxing experience with 30 included wax papers and nourishing oils. These additions help ensure a clean and comfortable hair removal process. Designed with women in mind, this kit makes at-home waxing simple and effective. Get salon-quality smoothness without the salon price tag. Whether you're targeting eyebrows, your face, body, or lips, this kit provides the right tools. Achieve flawless results on all areas. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for at-home waxing, including a generous supply of wooden sticks and wax papers. It's designed for efficient hair removal on various body parts. If you prefer the convenience and cost-effectiveness of waxing at home and want a complete solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This hair wax roller is a game changer for styling my edges. It applies the wax smoothly and evenly, giving me a polished look without any mess. I love how precise this roller is. It allows me to control the amount of wax applied, making it easy to create intricate styles and avoid product buildup. Number 1. Roll-on Wax Epilator. Introducing the Roll-on Wax Epilator, your new go-to for smooth, hair-free skin. Experience a revolutionary way to remove unwanted hair with ease and comfort. Designed for a painless experience, this electric warm roller ensures effective hair removal every time. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to silky smooth results. Its user-friendly design makes hair removal simple and convenient. Just roll it on and peel it off for a quick and efficient grooming session. Perfect for both women and men, this epilator caters to all your hair removal needs. Achieve professional salon results in the comfort of your own home. Comes with a convenient pedestal for easy storage and use. Keep your epilator tidy and ready for your next session. Enjoy smooth, radiant skin from head to toe. This device is ideal for use on various body parts, providing a consistent and satisfying hair removal experience. What we like. Experience virtually painless hair removal with this electric warm roller system, designed for ease of use and effective results. It comes with a pedestal for convenient storage and use. If you're seeking a convenient and less painful method for hair removal at home, this warm roller system is a great option for both men and women. What people say. This hair wax roller is a game changer for achieving a sleek and polished look. The roller design allows for even distribution of the wax, preventing clumping and ensuring a smooth application. It effectively tames flyaways and provides long-lasting hold without making hair stiff or greasy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.